Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up some of my Young Living loyalty orders. I have my loyalty orders for February and March, and I also have a couple free items that I got when I spent some of my loyalty points. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have lots of oil-infused products. They have personal care products, they have household cleaning products, they have nutritional supplements and things like that. They have items that are designed for men, women, children, babies, and even your pets. And so I am a loyalty orders member, which means that I am committed to spending at least $50 each month on Young Living products. And then I am able to get back 25% of whatever I spend in loyalty points to put towards free items. And so every couple of months I will go in and I'll spend my loyalty points to get some free items. With my loyalty orders each month, I usually have a combination of essential oils, personal care products, and sometimes some supplements and things like that. So we're going to get started with my February order first. And so the first thing that I see is I have a lavender hand and body lotion. I love Young Living's hand and body lotions because they smell really nice. They are great for using when you get out of the shower. They just glide on really nice and smooth, and I like the way that they moisturize my skin. This one says it is infused with pure lavender essential oil. Lavender hand and body lotion moisturizes and hydrates the skin with a relaxing, soothing scent. Formulated without parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic fragrances, artificial colors, or animal-derived ingredients. So this has other essential oils in it. It has the lavender, it has sandalwood, it has Davana and myrrh essential oils in it as well, and it just smells really nice, and I love this one. Next, I have a larger tube, and larger tubes usually have supplements and things like that. This one actually has a favorite of my husband's, and so it has the Shutran Beard Oil. And so the Shutran Beard Oil is something that I put in my loyalty orders each month. One of these beard oils will last my husband about a month, and so I put one in my order each month so he'll have that when he needs it. It has the Shutran essential oil in it, and so let me read to you what's in the Shutran essential oil so you'll know what this smells like. It smells really good. All right, so the Shutran essential oil has Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and Northern Lights black spruce in it, and it smells really, really good, like I said. They also have a whole Shutran line for the men. The Shutran line has a 3-in-1 men's body wash, an aftershave lotion, a bar soap, a shave cream, the beard oil, and all of those items have the Shutran essential oil in them. Next, for my February order, I have a couple of smaller tubes, and so the smaller tubes usually have essential oils in them. And so the first one is one of my favorites, lavender essential oil. I love lavender essential oil. I like to make a body spray with it. I just think it has a nice calming and relaxing scent. Lavender is a single oil, which means there's nothing but lavender in here. It's great for the springtime. A lot of people like to diffuse lavender, lemon, and peppermint together, and it smells really nice for spring. The lavender, lemon, and peppermint essential oil diffuser blend is supposed to help support your respiratory system during those seasonal changes from like winter to spring, so that's a good one to have. And then I have another small tube with essential oils. And the first one is one that I get all year round to help support my family's health and wellness. It is the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. This is a blend. It contains multiple essential oils in here. Thieves is well known for supporting the immune system. I like to diffuse Thieves at night with Raven Essential Oil Blend because it helps to support my family's immune and respiratory systems. So I like that one. When you smell Thieves, to me it smells like Christmas in a bottle. It's a great scent for fall and winter, but we use it all year long. Let me read to you what's in the Thieves Essential Oil Blend. So Thieves Essential Oil Blend has cloves, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. And like I said, it smells really good. I like to diffuse it with the Raven, but I like it with orange. It smells great with citrus fresh. It pairs well with peppermint. It just blends well with a lot of different essential oils. So apparently I got 2 Thieves essential oils. I think that may have been an accident because on my order slip it only shows 1. So they put 2 of them in there. And then the last essential oil in the tube is lemon. And so lemon is great, like I said, to diffuse with the lavender. It's also a great one to add to like cleaning products and things like that. If you have anything that's sticky, you can put some lemon essential oil directly on it, like if you have a tag on like glass or something like that, and it helps to get that sticky residue, so you can almost make your own like little goo gone solution with lemon. Like I said, it's just a really good one to diffuse during the spring and summertime. So I was running low on it, so I went ahead and picked up one of these. So I'm going to check my packing slip real quick. I was supposed to get a lavender, a Thieves, a lemon, a lavender hand and body lotion, and a Shutran Beard Oil. And I did get all of those, but for some reason, they accidentally gave me 2 of the Thieves essential oils. So. All right, guys, now on to my March order. It is a much bigger box, and I'll show you why here in just a second. And so again, like I said, I put one of these in each one of my monthly orders. And so I have another Shutran Beard Oil. Also in this order, I got the Young Living Lip Balm Trio. And so basically that is one of each of Young Living's lip balms. And so it comes with a grapefruit, which I love to use the grapefruit one. It's kind of like my spring and summer lip balm that I like to use. It also comes with a lavender lip balm, and so this is one that I like to apply every night before I go to bed. And then the last one is a Cinnamint Lip Balm. And so the Cinnamint Lip Balm is my favorite for like fall and winter. So the Lip Balm Trio gives you one of each. I love to use these. I wear liquid lipstick and it can be drying to my lips sometimes. And so what I do is I apply one of these on my lips before I put my liquid lipstick on. And it just really gives me a lot of moisture for my lips. And so let me read to you about those lip balms real quick. I'll start with the grapefruit. It says, infused with grapefruit essential oil, wolfberry seed oil, and antioxidants, this refreshing lip balm seals in moisture for smooth lips. The Cinnamint, it says, moisturize and protect your lips with our naturally derived lip balm featuring pure cinnamon bark and peppermint essential oils. Cinnamint Lip Balm helps prevent skin dehydration for soft, smooth lips. And then the Lavender Lip Balm says, Lavender Lip Balm soothes dry lips, harnessing the power of lavender essential oil and the moisturizing properties of jojoba oil and vitamin E. I just absolutely love the Young Living lip balms. And then the box is so big because I went ahead and ordered a 2-pack of the NingXia Red. So this box contains 2 bottles of the NingXia Red supplement. Let me read to you what it says about NingXia Red in the book. All right, so it says, for more than 700 years, the northwest region of China, known as Ningxia, has earned a reputation for producing and cultivating premium wolfberries. Also known as goji berries, wolfberries have a rich nutritional profile. NingXia Red is our powerful superfruit supplement designed to energize, fortify, and revitalize the body and mind. This delicious proprietary blend features pure essential oils, NingXia wolfberry puree, and other superfruits to supply the body with vital phytonutrients. And it also says that it contains a blend of blueberry, aronia, cherry, pomegranate, and plum juices, natural stevia extract, grape seed extract, pure vanilla extract, and orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine essential oils. And so what I like to do with the NingXia Red is you take 1 to 2 ounces each day. You can add some of the Vitality essential oils to it. Some of my favorite Vitality essential oils to add to my NingXia Red are orange, grapefruit, lime. You could do Thieves if you needed extra immune support and things like that. So those Vitality essential oils are in the white labels, and they are designed to be added to food and drink. And so just 1 ounce each day helps to kind of boost my energy levels and to help support my overall health and wellness. So that's my February order. There's my March order. Now I have a couple of free items. So I use my loyalty points to go in and buy this stuff for free. So I love Young Living skincare products, and so the Art line is a favorite of mine. And from what I understand, it stands for Age Refining Technology. I'm a little older, so my skin's a little more mature. So I got an Art Gentle Cleanser. And it says, Art Gentle Cleanser cleanses the skin with a soft, gentle lather. Infused with skin-loving essential oils, your face will feel clean and refreshed with a renewed, radiant look. And so it contains frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, lemon, lavender, and Melissa essential oils, which are all really good for supporting the skin. So I love that one. I was running low, so I went ahead and got one of those. And then to go along with that, I picked up the Art Refreshing Toner. And so it says here that the Art Refreshing Toner gently tones without drying the skin. The perfect blend of essential oils leaves your face clean and refreshed. And some of the essential oils that it contains are royal Hawaiian sandalwood, peppermint, frankincense, lavender, lemon, and Melissa essential oils. It also has green tea, leaf extract, and other things like that in it. So again, I was running low on that, so I went ahead and used my points to get these 2 items for free. All right, guys, that wraps up my loyalty orders for February and March, and then my free items as well. If you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. I will leave my referral link in the description box below if you want to go in and try some of these products for yourself. I love Young Living's products. I've been using them for over 7 years, and I like that I can be part of the loyalty orders program and I can get points back towards free items, so that makes it really nice. If you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.